A startling incident has rocked the corridors of power within the ZVAITWA Barracks. Brigadier General Fidelis Monda, the commanding officer of Presidential Guard Brigade, entered his office only to find it had been thoroughly ransacked. The attack left no traces. Files, documents, family pictures, historic war photographs, service accolades, and personal ornaments vanished without a hint of the perpetrators. Sanabina mashuku ashamisa vanhu panguva ino anookwa kunzi Presidential Guard panguva ino voraidiwa wataki vanobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibira pahinda yamuri kanzi muchazvirega mudanyora chiti Fidelis Monda is a figure shrouded in controversy and influence. Allegations have linked him to the covert protection of high-profile figures such as Rigananda, KT, WC, and others. Reports suggest that he has managed armed presidential guards units as if they were his private security enterprise, fueling whispers of a privatized militia under his control. This reputation is further fueled by videos like Generals for Sale, where Monda is accused of allegedly receiving $25,000 monthly from Rigananda, a claim that continues to stir public debate. Adding to his profile, Monda is believed to have supported Kudatagure's political campaigns and was associated with the Young Women for ED campaign in Masvingo, where his wife served as the chief coordinator for the Land Tenure Implementation Initiative. His influence extends beyond military confines into significant political social spheres. The question on everyone's lips is, who broke into the office of the most powerful man in the land? Do they possess extraordinary powers? Are they criminals or enemies? Or is this a calculated signal, a warning aimed at Monda himself? As the story unfolds, one thing remains certain. This incident challenges the narrative of absolute security surrounding a man previously considered untouchable. The details are still emerging, and as the situation develops, the nation watches with bated breath. Who stands behind this audacious act? Time will tell, but one thing is clear. In the corridors of power, secrets are harder to keep than ever before. Thomas Kwarbuda Pangwa in the comment section metu dzamafungiro ayi muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.